Round 2 of the WGC Bridgestone Invitational is complete. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Sergio Garcia. Carding a 61 for the day, Garcia tied his career low score as he managed to birdie every hole but one on the back nine. To break things down, he had 7 consecutive birdies, shot a career best 27 on the back nine, and had 11 straight one putts to close out his second round. Garcia's 61 tied the low 18-hole score at Firestone Country Club South Course, a score that only the king of Bridgestone himself, Tiger Woods, has produced in 2000 and 2013. Speaking of Tiger, who shot a 1/71 and sits at 1 under for the tournament, looks like the champion golfer of the year, Rory McIlroy, might have taken a little fashion advice from the defending champ. McIlroy may have thought that wearing an almost identical shirt to Tiger's from round 1 might get his mojo going Friday, and it might have worked. Rory fired off a 6-under-64 for his second round to end his day tied for 3rd and 4 behind Garcia. Here he is on the 14th, draining this 16-footer for birdie. He would go birdie-birdie on the closing 2 holes. It seems that the Friday slump Rory was facing earlier in the season has come to an end. In his last start, he shot a 66 on Friday in Hoylake before going on to win the Open Championship, so we will have to see if he keeps shooting in the 60s as we head into the weekend in Akron. The PGA Tour is also in Reno, Nevada this week, and round 2 of the Barracuda Championship is complete. Nick Watney held on to his lead and has 26 points, but Jeff Ogilvy is in hot pursuit with 23 points. You can catch round 3 action on Golf Channel Saturday from 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all I have for the takeaway. I will see you right back here Saturday night.